Okay, YouTube. I ran to the garage. I don't know why I did, but I did. Alright, so. Diddly 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 diddly. Diddly doo. Coromoto brake line company with colored brake lines. Freaking cool, right? Nice stainless steel bolts, anodized banjos. Anyway, this here is for the CR, which is the last bit we got to do. Put the Kickstarter on and wire up our cables. We'll call this episode that, and I'll make another one adding fluid, and then another one doing the heat cycle, and see if I could get this thing going. So, without further ado, let's continue on. Pop, pop, pop. Ah! Just jabbed myself with a staple. Oh, it's a Ziploc baggie. Okay. Yep. Oh my gosh. Plastic bag does not do justice. Yeah. Why am I struggling? Son of a bitch. Oh, rear caliper, stainless steel. It's got their logo. It's got the banjo, something like this. In case you didn't know, the brake line has a little hole. That's where the fluid goes through. And this is the banjo bolt, which has a hole through the bottom and on the side. And what happens is you have two crush washers, top and bottom of the cable. Like so. Ooh, it's my coffee. Be back. Alright, where the fuck was I? Because I got my house coffee and now I'm getting revved up. Ready to rip. Alright, so. Zip you around here. Aim you down, turn you around. Alright, so washer, banjo bolt, washer, and I happen to notice that it says left caliper with an arrow. So I'm going to assume they mean here, because this is the left caliper and this is going to be that side of the line. Screw that in. Someone's getting after at the gun club. I can hear them shooting. 14. Yeah. All right. Tight. Tighten down the caliper. Rear caliper on the stock line went through like this, and their back side here, these two holes was the brake line holder that would screw in. So this has got to go like this. Oh, mother, why is this so difficult? Just screw up there. It's your home. Don't you want to go to your home? Short ass brake line. Ow. And my glasses. Can't see without my glasses. Okay. You mother. I got it. Come on. Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, I'm loosening it. I'm going the wrong way. God damn it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Spin, spin, spin. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, yeah. Do the wiggle. Yeah. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Why does it go up in the air? How can it be upside down? It says core. Oh, it's got to be right. It's upside down. Cut the video. All right, so the banjo ended up going up with the core logo straight, but being the core upside down, it comes down, follows through, and it gave me the slight bend that I want to tuck the cable back in here. So I'm going to add my little cable holder right there, and that will be it for the rear. At least installing the brake lines. Typical fashion. I can't find the brake line holder. I had it last night. I don't know what I did. Probably threw it. And then I figured if I get the airbox on, I might as well do the brakes now, because the brakes, the rear reservoir is pain in the ass to get to when everything's all put together, and I don't ever do brakes. I hate doing brakes. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm looking for my brake bleeder. I can't find that either. So we're going to ring this now. Though, add a little more schnazzle dazzle with the reservoir. I got myself a red one. Ooh.
Chinese fireball.
Ooh. So that's cool. So we're gonna spice that up, give more red accents on the bike. Looks cool, man. Looking fresh. So I got my brake fluid. I have some cheap ass hose here. I'm gonna fill the reservoir, pump, 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 bleed out of that thing. What you're gonna need is my 8mm wrench to open and close the bleed valve. DOT 4.4 fluid, a rag, because you know the drill. This stuff is crazy caustic. Gloves, obviously. Ain't nothing to it but do it, I guess. So here we go. Pop the cap. Pop the other cap. The air bubbles are coming out. I'm feeding the system. Okay. Now with my other hand, like, carefully filled the reservoir, capped it, break down. Fuck, lock, up, pressure, bleed, lock, up, break down, bleed, lock, bleed. My hose doesn't want to stay on. Fucking lock, up, down. Filth. All right, top off some more. See why I hate this? I can't find my damn tube, hose, leader.
Typical fashion. I can't find the brake line holder.
Son of a bitch. That's the rear brake mount. I found it in the handle of the... It was right here in the handle of the stupid oil catch. Must have fell off the table there. Well, that's good. Brake is now hard. good. Top off the fluid to the high mark, upper left mark. Okay. Cap it, we're done with the rears. All right, same thing, but with the front now. Heavily Donuts Coconut Coffee, not a sponsor. Moving right along to bling up the front end a bit. Nice aluminum anodized Tusk Racing. Very sharp looking. Undo my black screws. 2 screws, cap, rubber bladder. Set that aside. Let's fill up a reservoir. I need my brother for this one because I can't reach both. Pause. Alright, open. And close. And bleed. Open. Close. Bleed. Close. How are we doing, Nate?
Good.
My knees are cramping up. Alright. Open. Close. Alright, let go. I'm gonna stand up. Oh. That's it. Well, in typical fashion, the brake system, for whatever reason, I had my brother help me off camera. It's been kicking my ass, so I've been wasting all my goddamn time. So now I'm pissed off. I'm not worried about it. I don't have front brakes. I could care less right now. Well, another episode down. So, turns out, off camera, not off camera, I suspect, I know, and I don't feel like doing it. I believe the little O-ring inside the caliper is off a little bit, or the cup is damaged, the piston in some way is seized up and it won't actually grab onto the front caliper, so I have to take the whole thing apart. And this was a couple weeks ago, months ago, when I was filming all of this, and I never got around to it because it's still freaking 20 degrees outside and it's miserable here in Connecticut. So I appreciate your patience, you guys, with the video and being shorter and whatnot, but it's proving to be difficult getting content out to you guys in the current state of things with the job, and the typical everyday life gets in the way. But I appreciate each and every one of you who are following along with my CR build. There is trouble coming. It's down the line. I know about it. You don't know about it. Once I edit it, then you'll know about it. So now we'll both know about it. But yeah, I'm just continuing on, slowly but surely, chipping away at all the files, the video files I have for this. Yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you have this. You're enjoying it. Listen, this is all about having fun. Okay, it's just me tooling around in the garage. I hope you learned something, but if I'm working on something, I might as well have a camera, you know what I mean? So, that being said, I just want to thank you guys for putting up with me and my antics and my videos, and hope you're just really having a good time watching it and relaxing, alright? So anyway, that's the end of today's episode. Posting late, obviously, because it's probably late by the time you're seeing this. But anyway, that's it. You know the drill. Just hit the subscribe button, will you? Well, help me out. Help me in the algorithms. I feel like we're putting out some good stuff. We really got some great videos, but, you know, I'm lacking in the sub department, but that's okay. But, you know, do what you can. Leave a comment below. All right? Y'all have a good one. Springtime and riding season is coming soon. Thank gosh. But until then, enjoy the weekend. And as always, keep ripping. All right? Peace.